So this is a quick DIY video of how to wire up the individual LEDs using the illumaesthetic boards. What's included in the original DIY board kit is going to be just the blank LED board. This is for the Evo 8 or 9. As you can see, there are no LEDs. It's pre-drilled, pre-bent, ready to have LEDs installed. The LEDs recommended for these are on the NTXGlow site. You can buy them separately from the boards. They are not sold with the boards. They come in a pack of almost 1,000 LEDs. It makes it really easy to get. As you can see, I've already started installing the LEDs on this one. So I'm just going to show you how to do one quick little section of LEDs. The flat side or the longer pin is the power side, and the shorter pin is ground. The holes drilled in the boards are designed to fit these LEDs perfectly. Once you give them a little push, they fit snug. Once you have your 5 LEDs pushed in and feel pretty snug, you're going to wire them up in series. So you're going to take the power side of one LED and just give it a gentle fold to the ground side of the LED right next to it. So now to test it, just hook up your 12-volt source. Got all 5 LEDs lighting up. Now just do that till the board is done.